Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that. That was the final video of my Rubik's Cube series. I will probably be doing some Rubik's Cube videos off and on in the future, but that was the final of this series. Thanks for watching. There it is, all nice solved. And if you're wondering how long it actually took me way less than I expected. I think it only took me about 45 to 50 minutes, so that was pretty good. And then we also have the Mega Minx, the 6x6, and the 7x7. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any ideas for future Rubik's Cube videos, then make sure to comment your ideas. I'd be happy to know. I have plenty of Rubik's Cubes, so don't hesitate. I also might release a video later on how fast I can solve a normal 3x3. Not sure when that will come out. And then I'm also starting a NBA 2K19 series. That'll be fun. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so that you get a notification every time one of my videos comes out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.